Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you 3 healthy morning smoothies. So the first recipe is going to be a little bit more refreshing. You can use protein powder, you don't have to, but I would highly recommend vanilla because I've tried chocolate ones, not quite the same. So you're going to need coconut water, super duper hydrating, refreshing, and then some spinach and berries, and you guys are going to love this one. So you'll want to add half a banana, 1 cup of spinach or half a cup of spinach, but I personally like adding as many greens as I can in my smoothies. 1/4 cup of berries, your protein powder, your coconut water, and then blend it all up. So this one is going to be filling and satiating because we're going to be using either oat milk or coconut milk. I prefer coconut milk. Then we're going to be doing the chocolate protein powder, whichever one that you have on hand. You can use peanut butter, but I really like almond butter. Some people like hazelnut butter, but I probably recommend almond butter or peanut butter for this one. We're going to use half a banana, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of milk. This time we're going to use chocolate protein powder. These two are some of my favorites so far. For the next recipe, you need half a banana, 2 medium strawberries, some raspberries, 1/4 of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 cup of milk of your choice. I like coconut, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, some yogurt, which is optional, and vanilla protein powder. The chia seeds will make the smoothie thicker, so the Greek yogurt isn't always needed, but I do like adding both. It just makes it a lot more filling. So those were some of my favorite morning breakfast smoothies. Let me know in the comments below which ones are your favorite, which ones you think that you might try. If you guys like this and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give this video a like so I know that. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.